All right, here's a quick run through on how to access your TESTOUT account. We use something called mice in order to do that. So the website is lms.micek12.com. You should be given a username and password from your instructor. It'll start with mice and then be a series of numbers. And this is what you'll need to log in every time. And then password. You'll get a acceptable use policy to agree to. All right, at this point you can probably just start going into the class if you wanted to, but we would like for you to change some account settings so you can get back into your, so if you get locked out of your account, you can get back into it. So under account and settings, you'll notice that the username is set to first and last. We need to change that, so we can go to edit. We want to change those settings. You'll notice it'll fill in everything for you, and you can hit update on that. I'm not going to do it on this demo account, but update settings, it'll change all that. Afterwards, you need to add your own kentisd.net email address, which you should already have. So we would click on email address, type in your address there, and then register that. And then you'll need to check your email. It does take a few minutes, but they send you a link to confirm your email address. And then once you have that, you go back in here to settings, and one of the options will be to change your default email to the one that you just added. So you want to make sure you do that. If you lose your password and try to do a password recovery, it will send it to that email address. So you want to make sure that you change that. After you've done all those things, you can go back to the dashboard. And we have a whole bunch of courses in here that are available for students that you're welcome to go through at any time. The one that we mostly use in class is this one, labeled IT Fundamentals. All right, and in order to get to that, you can click on View Modules here. And then it has all the different modules that are available. So I'm just going to click on the first one here to open it up. And this will take you through the TESTOUT curriculum for our class. I like to navigate using this, and then you can go through and click the section that's assigned to you by your teacher. I think that's the easiest way to get there, but you can also do it through the MICE website. And that should be it. Should be good to go.